welcome back to my channel. In my previous video I made a dyno run of a Rockford Fosgate amp, the Punch 100 DSM. In this video the Punch 100 DSM failed the output power test. Output power was low. Now I took the time to fix that amp. It had original warranty seals, they were completely intact. And I'm not a friend of completely intact warranty seals of an amp that has more than 20 years or 30 years of age. The problem was on the preamp board, and there are some electrolytic capacitors with 10 microfarads and 16 volts. The preamp board is the board just behind the RCA jacks. After removing the board, I could see the capacitors and they were leaky, and a little bit of black soot was on the board. This is my small box with some spare parts, especially for Rockford amps. Some transistors, some resistors, some diodes, SMD spare parts, and of course the electrolytic capacitors. And two of them were faulty. After fixing it, I clean it up with this kind of mainboard cleaner or PCB cleaner. So the repair is done. Both capacitors are now fixed and changed. I connect one small tiny speaker bridged mono to the amp, remote cable, and I push play. This is a crappy cheap speaker from a compact stereo. The problem was this channel was completely working and played clean music. This channel was also completely working and played some nice clean music, but if you raise the gain, the signal was weaker than this one. And again I show these were defective, these small caps here. The Punch 100 IX, which came out I think about 94, 95, by the way this one is from 93, is much easier to fix in my opinion, because it doesn't have these boards, and with my tools it took a long time to remove this board. It's a classic amp, but a little harder to service than a Punch 100 IX. And again, thank you very much for watching this video.